today's video, I'm going to be showing you the brand new GameHub app for Mac that allows you to run Windows games for completely free, as you can see here. Let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to be showing you the brand new GameHub app for macOS that's released recently. So if you don't know what GameHub is, it's an app for Android that allows you to run Steam games on your Android phone. And recently the app was in test beta for macOS, but now it's available to the public. As you can see, if we go to their Discord server here, it says GameHub for Mac has been available for the public. And it's 6th July for me right now. This project was released before 5 days, so it's very new, so you may experience some bugs a little bit. Let's go ahead and start. First, you're gonna go to your browser and then type in GameHub Mac. This is the first link you will see here. As you can see, all you have to do is just click download and it will start downloading for your Mac the GameHub app. As you can see, this is the app, so we're gonna go ahead and just click it and drag it to the applications folder. I already have it installed, so I'm just gonna skip it and open the GameHub app. So go ahead to your Spotlight search. This is the app right here. Once you open it, you will see here your profile, and if you go to settings, not only that, you can link your Steam account, your Epic, and your GOG account. So let's go ahead and start running some games. As you can see, if you go to library here, you can see all your Steam library, that the games you have already purchased are already there. You can even add a game. You can add a Steam library or a local game, which is an exe or a folder, as you can see here, if you have a local game. Now, what bugs I have been experiencing right now is the Epic Games login. If I try to log in with Epic Games, as you can see, it's just stuck on saying sign in. This is a problem that's currently ongoing, and by the time you're watching the video, it's probably fixed. So, as you can see, Epic Games here is not working for me right now, but what I was able to do was link my Steam account. So let's go ahead and test some games. Alright, let's go ahead and start testing. So, this is the GameHub app. Here's your library. I've downloaded some Windows games right here. Let's go ahead and start with GeoGuessr. So once you click it, you just have to click play. I'm recording this on a camera so that the game runs on the best quality and it doesn't get affected by recording. This is GeoGuessr right here. As you can see, it looks pretty smooth. Unfortunately, I couldn't get a FPS counter, so we're gonna have to play it normally and see if it's good through camera. So as you can see, let's just start a quick duel right here. It looks pretty smooth, as you can see on camera. And even while moving around the map here, you can see it looks kind of smooth here. There was a little bit of stutter, but now I guess it's gone. As you can see, we can move around. It looks pretty smooth. We can move around the cameras. It does look very smooth, as you can see. So this is the performance of GeoGuessr on an M1 MacBook Air using GameHub. As you can see, it looks very smooth. There is no lag right now. It does look very stable. I couldn't get an FPS counter, but through camera we can definitely see that it's very smooth. Let's go ahead and try another game. So we're gonna go ahead and try Trees Hate You. Let's go ahead and click play, and now it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take like a few minutes to start. Here's Tree Hate You, so let's go ahead and select a save. Let's continue. As you can see, this is a very light game, so it's very easy to run. As you can see, it's very smooth. There is no lag, there is no stutter, because this is a very simple game, so it really shouldn't lag a lot. Let's go ahead and try one more game right here. We have Stumble Guys here, so let's go ahead and click play and see if it works. Unfortunately, Stumble Guys isn't working for me. I tried everything. I tried to restart the game. It's just frozen on this logging in screen. So this probably is a game that's still not supported on GameHub, because this project is very new. But I'm gonna list you here some games that are supported right here. These are games that actually work and being tested by people, and they are working very fine. I did try GeoGuessr and I did try a Trees Hate You demo. These are very very light games, but as you can see, these are heavier games that people tested and they are working perfectly fine with GameHub. But Stumble Guys just isn't working today, so we're gonna have to end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos that I upload. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.